Okay, in this inequality, and this is what these inequalities look like when we're trying to graph them. Tell me everything you know about this guy. I mean, if there's a slope, if there's an intercept, if it's solid or dashed, shade above or below, you list everything you know. What do you know about this guy?
Solid line.
What tells you it's solid, Summer?
The line underneath the inequality.
Since you are equal to, it will be a solid line. So when you graph, you get to darken in those points and you can draw a solid line. That's one thing. What else do you know?
Shade above.
Don't tell me to shut up. Oh, shade up. Oh, I'm sorry. So you want to shade above. How do you know you shade above? It says y's greater than y's, or an elevation going up and down. So if I want the y's to be greater than, that means I want them to be above the line. But how am I going to graph the line? What do you know?
You had a slope.
What's your slope?
3/2.
3/2. What's your y-intercept?
-2.
Nope. Do better than that. 0, -2. What do I use first here in all of this information? My y-intercept, bless you. 0, -2. Remember, y-intercepts go where? On the y-axis. So here's 0, -2. Use my slope of 3/2, so that means up 3/2. And I just keep on going forever and ever, right? Now you may even want to put the midpoints on here, depends on how accurate you want to be. I mean, do you want to be cool like me? Or do you want to be, you? Yeah, you want to be as accurate as possible, right? So look what I've done here. I've used my y-intercept, I've used my slope, and now I'm about to make this a solid line.
How do you know it's a solid line again?
Because you have that option of being equal to right here. Just like we had filled in circles before, that tells you that we have a solid line.
It's not equal to it, it's dashed.
Not only is it going to be a dashed line if it were not equal to, but you would have to use open circles for those points instead of the solid ones that I have here. So I got my solid line, and the last thing I need to do is what?
Shade above.
Shade above. So that means you shade above this line. So it's going to be this whole region over here. Now here's what that means for me in terms of my solution set. When we graphed lines before, the solution was everything that was on the line itself. Excuse me. When I graph inequalities, solutions will be anything that, in this case, is on this line, or any ordered pair that's in this shaded region. If you don't believe me, identify any ordered pair over here, like the origin, and plug it in. If I plug in 0, is 0 greater than or equal to -2? Yeah. So any ordered pair over here is going to work. That wasn't too bad, was it? All right.